ETL Trading Academy. Learn and earn. Keep watching. Keep learning. Disclaimer: we are an educational institution for learning and discussing about general information related to investment and Indian stock market. All videos of ETL Trading Academy are for educational purposes only. Please don't take risks without proper knowledge and experience. We are going to make some video tutorials related to the stock market. Basic stock market. What is candlestick? Chart patterns. Indicators. Fundamental and technical analysis. Rejection candles. Basic options. Time and intrinsic value option. Greek. Delta. Vega. Theta. Rho. Option chain analysis. Open interest. Implied volatility. IV. Option strategies. Hedging.